Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to stay with us through our hellos or simply fast forward about 5 minutes to the beginning of the actual practice. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Gina. Thank you. I am feeling better. I started hyperbaric treatments, so for the migraine, for those of you who don't know. So I'm getting better. Thank you. Good morning, Joey. I was hoping to see the set of the full moon today, but unfortunately it was so cloudy. I didn't see anything. The clouds were nice though. Good morning, Judy. Alright, it is time for us to start, and today we will explore our basic right to speak and hear the truth, represented in our throat chakra. In her book, Eastern Body, Western Mind, Anadea Judith writes, this right is damaged when we are not allowed to speak truthfully in our family. For example, don't talk to me like that, young man, or don't discuss that we don't discuss that subject in this family, etc. And this includes not being heard when we do speak, keeping family secrets, not being spoken to honestly. So when our parents, our culture, our governments lie to us, there is abuse of this right, our basic right to speak and hear the truth. Learning clear communication is essential to reclaiming this right. And modern communication technologies don't make it easier, actually. They give us fast access to more information than ever before. All sorts of media influence our consciousness at each and every moment of our waking day. So how can we hear our own unique vibration in a world that is deafened by the roars of civilization? How can we express our truth when it goes against the accepted conformity of polite conversation? In the subtle realm of the fifth chakra, our throat chakra, how can we find the quiet necessary to listen to the truth within? These are all the issues to explore in the throat chakra. So let's do a short practice around that now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scanning your body, notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now? Let your breath be easy. Don't try to control it. Just observe how your breath flows through your body, how your body responds to your breath. If you haven't already, close your eyes now and start rooting down into the earth. Feel your connection with it through your first chakra. Remember the support that the earth always provides. Breathing gently, start noticing the sense of being you, the sense of your unique presence. If you want to, you can put your hands on your heart and repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So right now, I am okay. All is well in my world. At your throat center, visualize your fifth chakra. You may imagine it as a sphere of blue energy, rotating slowly and radiating light in all directions. How much space can you take up with this energy? With each breath cycle, allow this blue light, this energy to expand further and further out from within your body and into the world around you. Let this energy be as big as it wants to. Keeping with this visual, repeat after me. I speak with clarity and kindness. It is safe for me to express myself. I have the right to speak my truth. I have the right to hear truth. And we'll complete our practice today with a Bija mantra for the throat chakra. The sound here is hum, H-A-M, hum. We will repeat it 7 times. As you recite this mantra, allow yourself to expand more and more into your right to speak and hear the truth. Hum, 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 hum. As you go through your day today, pay attention to how you communicate with others and with yourself. What do you notice? Is it easy for you to speak the truth, your truth? Is it easy for you to hear truth? Whatever it is, enjoy your discoveries and see if this process changes anything about the way you are during the day. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful